Hey everybody, welcome back to MLR and Design. I want to present you guys a kit that I recently finished. This is from the PrototypeZ Street Fighter line, and this is Blanka. So Blanka comes in several pieces, as all the other kits do. The body, the arms, the hands, the torso itself connects into the lower part of the body, should I rather say. Then of course you have your base, and then you have your flames, or the charge that he does. So with this piece, it was a little bit challenging in the respect of you want to make sure that he's balanced, because the pegs aren't that wide on the bottom of his feet. It's like he's basically on his tippy toes, kind of like. And you know, you want to really make sure that you get a good peg in there so that he's not wobbly. And then you want to work with the base, which is probably the harder part of the entire statue, probably the base. Getting all the flames to perfectly fit in, and to you know, be organized. You don't get no chipping. And when you're working with the clear resin, and this one has a lot, it's a little bit of a challenge, but nonetheless, I hope you guys like the way this one came out. So we really wanted to go with a bright green, you know, symbolizing you know, the skin tones in the game. We use some references. Like I say, I always go with the Alvin Lee references for the Street Fighters. You know, the Udon, those kind of guys really capture the spirit of what Street Fighter is to me as a gamer. And of course, working with the client and what he wants. On this one, I was given a lot of creative freedom, which I'm always very appreciative of from my clients. So as you can tell, you know, went with a nice, rich or bright green for the skin tones. We really wanted the oranges to pop off against that really good. You know, all the detailing in the mouth, the nails, the grittiness. And then this, I've seen this painted before, but I wanted to make it a little bit different, specifically with the charging. Whereas you see the yellow kind of like wave, and then the electricity inside, which based off the references that we were able to come up with, they have like that bluish, light blue glow, and then the sharp white on the center, which is that bright electric charge. So that's what I really wanted to capture with this one. So you know, I think this was a very fun project, and definitely after seeing it painted and being that there's not too many of them out there, you know, I think this one is a top-notch Blanka 1/6 scale, not the biggest, but definitely a very good, if not one of the top interpretations of Blanka here. So let me take you guys in a little closer, see a little bit better the detailing, and then we'll wrap up Mr. Blanka here. Alright guys, here a little tighter and on Blanka. So you see we wanted to go with, obviously, that gritty look, you know, that savage look from the game. So, you know, the inside of the mouth is all done with the teeth yellowed out. Here you can see the grittiness of the nails. Same thing on the hands and on the feet. And you see how the orange pops off. And here we can see like the center of the electric with the with that white glow, giving the charge that hard, you know, lightning look. And again, wanted to do the game, you know, game accurate as much as possible. So here with the jeans, you know, that worn denim, brown denim look that he has, the bracers in the game, and in some other artwork that I've seen, the bracers and the pants are basically the same color. So we wanted to stay accurate in that regard. However, I wasn't just gonna paint them just straight brown, the same color as the pants. So it's not a copper, but it's like a brass, and I did mix some steel and some copper into it a little bit to give it that look. And it complements the pants, and it pretty much flows how the game does, but you know, keeping it unique at the same time. So yeah guys, make this one quick, very fun, very ornate, well executed scope by Eric Sosa and for PrototypeZ, like I said, really limited, really great kit, and definitely, if you're a Street Fighter fan, a must-have. So once again, folks, as usual, thank you guys for the views, the likes, the subscriptions, and as always, feel free to ask any questions, and if you have any inquiries, don't hesitate to reach out. All the information, the contact info is on the intro and on the outro. So, hit me up if anything. All right, guys. So until next time, thanks for watching and take care.